Scania isn't just building trucks, they're engineering the future of logistics. In 2025, their innovations are redefining what heavy-duty vehicles can achieve. Let's break down the tech making Scania the global leader. Scania's Level 4 autonomous trucks are already hauling manganese ore in Australia's Pilbara region, a world-first commercial deployment. These self-driving G5608x4 tippers navigate 200-degree Fahrenheit mine pits using AI that processes terrain data 40% faster than human operators. While U.S. brands test lane-keeping assists, Scania's trucks work driver-free in extreme conditions, proving their tech isn't just theoretical. It's operational today. The new 624 kilowatt-hour battery trucks deliver 350 kilometers, 217 miles per charge, enough for regional hauls without range anxiety. But Scania's real innovation? A modular battery system letting operators add packs under the cab, pushing capacity to 728 kilowatt-hours for 550 kilometers, 341 miles ranges. This flexibility beats rigid designs from competitors, allowing fleets to customize energy needs. Charging at 375 kilowatts restores 80% in 90 minutes, while smart thermal management maintains peak speeds even in extreme heat. Scania's Smart Dash isn't just screens, it's an AI co-pilot. The system uses AR overlays to highlight hazards and suggest fuel-efficient routes. Drivers control HVAC, navigation, and fleet comms through gesture commands, while 5G connectivity enables over-the-air updates that fix mechanical issues remotely. For American drivers accustomed to analog gauges, this tech feels like jumping from flip phones to smartphones. Scania's ProCare system monitors 600-plus vehicle parameters in real time. It doesn't just warn about engine issues, it predicts component failures weeks in advance. One fleet manager reported 18% less downtime thanks to alerts about a failing transmission module before symptoms appeared. This tech integrates with Traton's charging network, automatically rerouting trucks to available stations based on battery levels. While rivals chase specs, Scania focuses on life cycle impact. Their electric trucks use 90% recyclable battery materials, and the modular platform allows 8-hour diesel-to-electric conversions. In Europe, 50% of new Scania sales will be electric by 2030, but their range-extended hybrids bridge the gap where infrastructure lags.